Okay, so I hope you've made the decision to download this calculator here, and I created it in Google Sheets. If you have a YouTube channel, then you probably have access to Google Sheets. When you put your email and your name down there and you get the calculator, you will get a link in your email to be able to get this spreadsheet right here. I did it this way just so more than one person can benefit it, and it was the easiest way to create this calculator by putting it in Google Sheets. Now this is a view only currently. What you have to do is go up to the file, make a copy, and then you'll have your own copy, and then you can start changing these numbers here. So the idea is to compare if you were to have bought an old car versus a new car or an expensive used car. So in my case, these are the exact numbers that I got owning my 1997 Chevy Lumina. So I paid $2,000 for it. I have around 182,000 miles, and I've only put $3,300 in unexpected repairs. That doesn't include the regular basic stuff that you also have to do on your newer cars, like brake works and tires and all that kind of stuff. So when that happens, and I've owned it for 9 years, from 2009 to 2017, this automatically calculates, and I'm getting a payment of around $49. You come over here, and this is what I would have done if I didn't buy the Lumina. Now you might be over here on this side, you might be able to put in some hard numbers here, and then what you have to do is go over here, and let's say you would have bought a new car in 2009, you go over here and you guess what you would have possibly bought. Maybe you were thinking about buying an older used car. How much do you think you would have paid for it, and how much in repairs do you think you would have paid in repairs? And then the length of ownership has to be the same, otherwise one number is going to be much smaller or much greater. When that happens, you'll have total monthly cost of what you had or what you expected for an expensive car, and the total monthly cost what you had and expected for your used car, and then you'll have the difference right here. And this number right here is the total amount you have saved over your 9 years of ownership, or however long that you've owned it. So it's really simple. You basically just changed whatever it is in the highlighted boxes. Super simple. So I hope you enjoyed that. Go down there and enter your email and your first name. It definitely helps out if you got your first name there. It makes the email a little bit more personal. Also, if you want, go out over to back to our website and check that out. We got a bunch of cool stuff there. The interactive systems show you how the systems of the car work. We also got a couple partners here. If you want to get a free quote for some new cars, you got a free quote calculator right here. Also, I thought this website was pretty cool. If you want to check out some cars that have been sold for 95% off, it's basically government repossessed cars, and they sell them for real cheap just to get rid of them. And if you get stuck, you also have a little bit of instructions right here.